Senator Ping Lacson said the bicameral conference committee has postponed Monday's deliberations on the 2026 national budget amid disagreements over several contentious provisions, including funding for the DPWH, the MAIFIP program, and the farm-to-market roads. Here is the report.
Senate President Pro Tempore Ping Lacson has outlined the contentious issues that have pushed the bicameral talks on the 2026 national budget into a deadlock. In an interview with Storycon, Lacson said disagreements over funding allocations for the Department of Public Works and Highways, MAIFIP, and farm-to-market roads continue to stall the bicameral discussions.
Tatlo yung contentious issues as far as the Senate is concerned. Una, yung MAIF. Second, yung farm-to-market road.
Farm-to-market.
And then third, yung balance, yung 53-54 billion na sinasabing overpriced na kailangan kartasin sa budget. Ang napagkasundo namin, nothing short of, absolutely no guarantee letters from politicians. Sabi ko sa kanila, I can change my mind. And so with the others, na yung mga like-minded na kasama ko sa majority block ng Senate, ganun din ang kanilang sentiment. Kasi nga naabuso.
Lacson warned that failure by the Senate and the House of Representatives to reach a compromise could result in a reenacted budget next year.
Pagka hindi nagkasundo, baka mauwi tayo sa reenacted budget. Dapat magkasundo na kagad para magkaroon na ng BICAM report. At kami sa Senado, ang call ng aming leadership sa Senado, hindi yung BICAM report ang aming iraratify. Mismong enrolled bill. Nakapanood na yung, hindi yung summary lang ng bicameral conference committee report, kundi mismong detalyado, yun na yung mismong enrolled bill.
Meanwhile, Lacson called the move to invite DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon to attend the bicameral budget hearings unprecedented.
Ito nga isang problema pa. Bakit nag-imbita sila ng Department Secretary sa BICAM? Unprecedented yan kasi parang bumalik kami sa committee hearing. Mali kasi ang nag-uusap na lang dyan, House panel at saka Senate panel. Dahil sumulat daw si Secretary Vince Dizon na pagbigyan nila na magpaliwanag. And nag-backslide tayo sa committee hearing.
Despite the impasse, Lacson said both chambers are still working to find a way forward and break the deadlock. The senator also revealed that some lawmakers have allegedly threatened the leadership of House Speaker Bogie D and Majority Leader Sandro Marcos if certain budget priorities are not approved.
Pati si Speaker Bogie, pati si Majority Leader Sandro Marcos, medyo hirap, may threat pa sa kanilang leadership. Ito yung nasagap ko Pag hindi nyo pinagbigyan yung mga individual namin, magkakasubukan tayo.